I still drinking from my Christmas cup. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, but I love the cup so much, so I keep drinking from it. Okay, guys, thank you. Just breakfast with Marjorie. Okay, guys. Yes, I'm just here, guys. It's fried dumpling with eggs, Jamaican fried dumpling. Mm. And we have some eggs and we have bread on the plate. Yes, guys. Love my hat. Can you see my hat? And my shirt, Jamaican Girl TV. Okay, guys. Um, here, guys. Just trying to eat my breakfast. All right. And drink my coffee and my cup, Christmas cup. What? And there goes my Easter stuff. I love to look at it. My Easter eggs and stuff like that. I love my table set up. Drinking my coffee, guys, and eating my fried dumpling. Jamaicans love to eat fried dumpling, so you know that's what I'm doing. Eating.